Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to walk you through the Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless that just landed here at the office. Beautiful boat. From down on the ground, you'll see it's appointed with the beautiful platinum side hull color with white bottom and white rub rail with the stainless insert. Also, you'll notice that you have cleats forward, midship, and aft. Also, the aft bow rail back here on the back. Let's take a look at the back side of the boat. Taking a look at the back of the 250 Dauntless, you'll see that we've got this boat equipped with the Lenco electric trim tabs, the Mercury 300 AMS outboard with digital throttles, nice stainless telescoping ladder to help climb aboard. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 250 Dauntless. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see we've got the full cushion package up here. We've got these wonderful pop-up bolsters that lock into place so that you can lay out and stretch forwards on. You'll also notice this nice grab rail with cup holders on each side. This boat is equipped with the trolling motor package. Up front, you have a forward locker for your anchor. You have another forward lazarette for storage. One thing that I love to point out is this giant coffin box. Perfect for mom and kids to lay out, 2 full-size adults. But take a look at all the storage on the inside. Notice how deep it is. Perfect for all your gear. Also, it accommodates full-size fishing rods. Rods go through here and lock down right here. Plenty of ample storage. As we walk back to the helm, I would like to point out the storage in the console here. You'll see you have all your batteries stored here with a porta potty and additional storage for all your day gear. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that we've got the 12-inch Simrad NSX, the Mercury SmartCraft gauges, JO audio stereo, nice cubby for our additional gear, wallet, cell phones, nice sea deck up top to hold your gear in place with a portable or wireless phone charger, tilt on your steering wheel, electric trim tabs, digital throttles with active trim. Your lean post has nice drop-down armrests, flip-up bolsters, and rocket launchers on the back. You also have additional rocket launchers up top on your hard top with the ski pylon. You'll see that we have the tea bag here for all of your life jackets and additional storage gear. We've got a dome light, which also is a map light as well. Taking a look at the back of the boat here, guys, you'll notice in the center is our live well, nicely painted blue. Additional jump seats on each side. And of course, a 75-quart Yeti cooler. Guys, for more information, please give us a call at 236-9005 or stop by your Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you and have a great day.